The 43 series, that was the best on the market when we launched it. But we know that the competitors, they will chase us. So we always have to develop something new, something better to be number one. That was a really big challenge. You want to make something better and better because it's important for the customer. My name is Jan Enquist. I'm responsible for the coating of the insert. In the 43 generation, the big invention was we have controlled the aluminum oxide growth to a certain crystal direction. We call it invasion coating. It was really great, but we know that we can do it better. What about if we, for example, start to control the inner layer as well and try to improve the aluminum oxide even more? So you get a plastic deformation of the coatings. So instead of having cracks in the coating, you get a very controlled deformation and a controlled wear. And this really improvement in performance. Sounds easy, right?
My name is Anders Stenberg. My role in the 44 series project was to work with the cemented carbide. We needed to achieve an increased deformation resistance without losing in toughness. But we had that figured out pretty early how to achieve that. The big challenge was to find a large-scale manufacturing process. The powder milling, spray drying, sintering. We need to have a consistent quality because the customer expects to have the same grade every time he or she buys an insert. But we have been able to solve that.
My name is Varka Slaiva. I work with post-treatment, and that is the final touch of the product. It's small particles that are pretty sharp that go through a gun with a high speed. So think of it as a hammer banging the coating, and in that way we get to strengthen the material. It's like a puzzle. You need the best thing from each technology so you can put it together and get the best product out in the market.
Before we launch it, we make what we call a field test and test it against our old grade, but also against competitors. In this process, this time, we saw huge improvements. It's the best on the market. I would say we succeeded again. And the customer can expect much higher performance, but also the same quality, the same performance each time. Now we have the big challenge. What do we need next time? But we're working on that.